Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Big Data Knowledge Hunt Official. So in the today's video we are seeing one interesting topic, that is how machine learning helps in business. Why the companies, why the organization are using machine learning widely. So this is a survey which was done by a journal which denotes that researchers estimated that the machine learning has a potential to add 2.6 trillion in value to the marketing and the sales industry by 2020. Now it's 2022. This was a survey done in 2020. That time this much value is added in the marketing and sales industry for machine learning, and $2 trillion to the manufacturing and logistic field to do the growth or to do the investment in the machine learning. So this is a wide variety of investment done in the machine learning industry. You can see the machine learning usage is increasing day by day, such as 75% financial services are investing money in the machine learning to gain knowledge or to gain insights, such as banking industry is investing, or financial sector, different financial industries are investing to find out the fraud or to find out the fake schemes, etc. 78% say that a ML is a core component of biz strategy, means for business growth 78% industries are investing in machine learning, whereas 90% deployed ML by one or more department to manage or analyze the content, means to store the content, to manage the content. These are people are investing into machine learning. So this is a short survey. So 7 ways where machine learning is helping a business to grow. First is automating the routine task. Whatever the task is done by the human being, we can automate it with the help of the machine learning or AI. Managing the unstructured data or consumer data. Whatever the data has been generated, storing it, storing the important data, removing the unwanted data, that can be done with the use of the machine learning. Natural language processing means dealing with the human related conversation, converting the text to the voice to the text, or converting the human messages to the text, or decrypting the messages, encrypting the messages. All these things come under the natural language, which is done with the help of the ML. Driving the strategy business advantage means to grow the business, deriving or driving different strategies. Improving the personalization and audience interaction, such as the companies such as audience, Amazon, Flipkart, YouTube, they are engaging their customers, they are interacting their audience with the help of the ML related algorithms. Speeding up the research on what customer want, means analyzing what is the need of the customer and accordingly providing the strategies. And next last one is the detecting trends. So all of these things are done by different organization or different businesses to grow their business with the help of the machine learning. So we will see simple one or two examples how they are done. Like you can see Amazon, we are using Amazon day by day, or we are using Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, we are using these different shopping apps or social media apps. So what are they doing? They are building a strategy with the help of different algorithms. So Amazon created an anticipatory shipping protocol which will allow it to predict the amount and the geographic dispersion of orders for a specific item. Means it will check for a specific items how many is the amount and how many orders are given provided on that specific product. Based on that, what it will do, it will send the popular items like phone accessories or household items to the local distributor centers for the future purchase. Means if a product is being widely purchased from Amazon, what it will do is it will send that product details to a local shops also, so that the sales should increase as well as online as well as offline. So like we see, whenever we are purchasing products from Amazon, we get to know that seller details at the downside. So what are these sellers? These are the different local distribution centers. So Amazon will not send a single product to a single distributor, it will distribute the product on multiple local distribution centers, so that all could gain the benefit and multiple products should be sold. So this is one of the example how Amazon is using ML. Next example is the Netflix. As we all know, we see the Netflix, or we are aware of what is meant by Netflix. So this is one of the company which has used AI driven technology successfully, like machine learning to build the extensive view profiles. that are accurately predicting which shows and which movies user are interested in. Like if I am a person who always watch horror films or horror related shows, then the recommendation to me by Netflix will be horror related shows only. So this is one of the advantage of Netflix. Again, customer interact with this program and provide useful data every time they scroll through new films. Why? Because if you are scrolling the new films, then the machine learning algorithm will analyze, yeah, okay, so they are interested in fiction movies or fiction shows, so they Netflix will start recommending the same shows to us. Similarly, YouTube works. Like if we are aware, we can see if you are watching comedy shows, then always we will get the recommendation of the comedy shows on YouTube. Similarly to Amazon, similarly to Facebook post. So these are the areas where this company or the businesses are using the machine learning algorithm to grow. I hope everyone is clear how businesses use machine learning algorithms. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. ID is in the description box. Thank you.